8, 9, and 10, we are going to look back at our table and recognize that f of x plus 9 is equal to f of x. And so we're really relying on our idea of pattern, just like we did for the previous 3 questions. So f of 2, I look up here, f of 2 isn't up here, so I'm going to plug it in. So f of 2 plus 9. This tells us that every 9 we start a new cycle. Every 9 we start a new cycle. So let's start with f of 11 here. Again, f of 11, this is my input, I don't see it, but I'm going to write down 11. And I know that every 9, so if I add 9, here plus 9, I'm up to 20, I don't see that, so we're going to subtract 9. So if I go 11 minus 9, I'm at 2, I don't see that. If I subtract 2 minus 9, I'm at negative 7. Oh, there's negative 7. What is the output? It is 16. So just so you understand this here, h, right? I could say what is h of negative 7? The output would be 16. If I could say what is h of 2, it'd be 16. What is h of 11? It'd be 16. What is h of 20? It would be 16. What is h of 29? It'd be 16. Every 9 numbers, every 9 consecutive numbers will have the exact same output. Ooh, 9's a good one. Here we go. How do we do this composite functions? First thing is we figure out the inside. So we know that the input value is negative 3, the output value is 10. So I want to know what is h of 10. But again, we don't see 10 up here as our input value. I do know it goes in cycles of 9. So I'm going to write down 10, I'm going to add 9, 19 is not there. So now I'm going to subtract 9 to get 1. Ooh, 1 is there. The output value is 7. But if it wasn't there, I'd say 1 subtract 9 is negative 8, right? So what does this tell me? That h of negative 8 has an output value of 7. H of 1 has an output value of 7. H of 10 has an output value of 7. H of 19 has an output value of 7. Every 9 consecutive numbers will have the exact same output. That's how this periodic function is working. Let's now look at number 10. What is the value of h of 9k minus 1, where k is an integer? So k can be positive or negative. Well, let's just start with 0. If I plug in 0, okay, so let's do some mental math here. 9 times 0, because it's going to be an integer, 9 times 0 is 0, 0 minus 1 is negative 1. I look up above, negative 1's not there, right? Now, let's do the next one here. Let's do, so I plugged in 0, so I've done 0, let's try 1. 9 times 1 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. Oh, I'm lucky. 8 is there. We have an output value of negative 4. Correct answer is C for number 10.